Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete Payoneer account permanently. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open your Payoneer account here. First of all, as you can see, this is my home page. You have to simply click on this Payoneer help and this page will open up here, and all you need to do is to simply click on the search all article and type cancel. So after that you have to click on this I wish to close my account in the search result. So after that, as you can see, there are few things you need to know about how you can cancel or what things you need to keep in mind before canceling. So after that you have to simply click on this contacts button and new page will open up here. You can simply select your language, email and question. You can now select the file and simply click on the submit button. So after submitting, they will respond it within hours or few days. So I hope this video will help you out. So this is the way how you can do this. Thanks for watching this video.